It is simple to add font styles when you are not satisfied with the style options from MS Word or Photoshop. As for me, I want a font style related to One Piece anime, so I just searched the internet for One Piece font style. Don't worry, there are lots of websites that offer free downloads for different font styles. Download and save it to your preferred file folder. Right-click the zip file, then choose Extract here. Then right-click the extracted file and click the Install for all users, so it will appear both in Microsoft Office and Photoshop when you need this font style for your project. That's it. Your installed style will automatically appear to the text options. Now I can use this One Piece font style in Photoshop. Great, right? I hope this video helps for your project. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down your suggestions.